42. Hearing God. One of the saddest things about so many devout Christians is their refusal to hear God. They go to church faithfully, they are much given to prayer, and they are superior people in many ways, except that they have a hearing problem when it comes to listening to the Lord. I was vividly reminded of this recently on hearing a mother scold her young son for failing to heed her call to carry out the garbage. His excuse was, "I didn't hear you, Mom." "You hear perfectly well when I asked you to lick chocolate frosting off my beater," she answered. Very true. How common it is for Christians to concentrate on their favourite chapters in the Bible. They're ready enough to hear the Lord say the kind of thing that pleases Him, but not the rest of His Word. We need to hear all of God's Word. The psalmist says, "I will hear what God the Lord will speak, for He will speak peace unto His people and to His saints, but let them not turn again to folly." Psalm 85:8. When we as individuals and as a people hear all of what God has to say and we obey Him, then indeed He will speak peace unto us.